I welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and here we go ahead and create a simple project that will help us to calculate factorial using a for loop. Alright, so in the previous lecture we were able to calculate factorial using a while loop. I believe you've learned that. Let's go ahead and learn how to calculate that using a for loop. So this is another project entirely on its own. Let's go ahead and say x of an integer variable of absolute value, let's say int, and we go ahead and say input because we're expecting the user to give us something. I go ahead and say insert any number. Alright, so insert any number to calculate is factorial, and then we go ahead and say, just like we did, factorial equal to initialize that is equal to 1. Now using the for loop, we go ahead and say for x, we say for, let's say for I is equal to, for I in range, of 2 by x plus 1. Then we go ahead and say factorial multiply equal to I. Then we go ahead and print out results. Let's say factorial, print. Then go ahead and see the result of factorial is equal to comma factorial. Now let's go ahead and run this code. Alright, so here we see for this, go ahead and put this right there. Now let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. Then we go ahead and insert any number. Let's insert 5, and the result of factorial is equal to 120. And let's go ahead and insert minus 5, 120, because we use absolute value. Alright, so that is why we put absolute value of the integer number there. Now let's go ahead and input something like 7, and the result is this. And let's try out one more time again, like 4, and the factorial is 24. Alright, so you can see that the code is working out very fine and very sweet. Go ahead and put this down on your own system, play around with it, and check out more on that. And in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.